Hi there, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in this 23 key fob. This is out of an HRV, but the Civic is also the exact same process. First thing you need to do is get a replacement battery. This takes a 2032 battery, and you can get these off Amazon. There's a link below in the description. I'll take it straight there. I'm also going to be using a flat tip screwdriver about this size. First thing you want to do is push down this button and remove the mechanical key. Take your mechanical key, insert it right about here, and just give it a twist, and I'll separate the two halves. That can be difficult if the fob's never been opened before. Okay, so at this point, you can take your little screwdriver, put it here gently, a little more firm than I probably needed, and then the positive side faces up like this. And then the most difficult part of this is squeezing this back together so that these align appropriately. So get it lined up, and just give it a very good squeeze. And there you go. You're all set. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.